Let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a rule that is important in your school or work.
Schools are the first place where children learn about the rules and restrictions to follow. Every school has rules, and students have to follow the rules. If some students didn't follow the rules, they have to punish. If they don't come in a prescribed uniform, and if they came late, they have to punish outside the class. um, and some students have to pay fine. In my school, if we miss a badge, we have to pay the fine. So it is important to came on time, and it is important to came on time
Okay.
and
All right, you spoke for a minute and then you took some pauses. There are two serious issues in your English. One is you are mixing present and past tenses together. Second, your sentence structure, which is not clear. Mostly you are communicating with words instead of proper sentences. So you need to focus your proper sentence structure, subject, verb, object, and then you need to learn tenses, then it'll be fine, okay? So, and try to practice all these cue cards so that you could speak at least for a minute or so. You finished it like first you took a long pause and then you finished abruptly. Okay? Thank you.